What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I wanted to do a recap on one of the credit unions we reviewed about a year ago, very early on the Credit Plug channel. Some of the OG subscribers might remember this one, but SECU of Maryland. So SECU stands for State Employees Credit Union. Now, there's a handful of different State Employees Credit Union. You have one in Pennsylvania, you have one in Maryland, you have one in North Carolina. There's also a Washington State Employees Credit Union. So collectively, State Employees Credit Union is one of the largest credit unions in the United States. However, each individual State Employees Credit Union operates independently, having different credit products, different underwriting, and different membership eligibility. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about SECU of Maryland. Now, in my opinion, SECU of Maryland is one of the best credit unions in the United States for several reasons. Number one, membership eligibility is wide open, so there's no geographic restrictions. Now, I've been getting emails of people asking for a sponsorship into SECU of Maryland. You don't actually need a sponsorship. If you don't meet any of the eligibility criteria, all you have to do is join the SECU Foundation. That gets you into SECU of Maryland. Now, the second reason why I think SECU of Maryland is one of the best credit unions is because they offer a wide variety of different credit products, including personal loans, personal credit cards, personal lines of credit, shared secured loans, starter credit cards, secure credit cards, business credit cards, business lines of credit. Another important data point about SECU of Maryland is that they use check systems. So if you have any issues with your check systems, that can prevent you from becoming a member. In terms of their credit decisions, they're pulling Equifax, specifically the FICO 5 scoring model. So you can go on myfico.com and see what your FICO 5 is if you want to know what score will be used when you apply for different credit products. In terms of SECU's business credit products, your business does have to be registered in the state of Maryland. But for the personal products, it doesn't matter where you are geographically. Anyone can apply and get approved for their personal credit products. Another reason why SECU of Maryland is a great credit union is because they allow you to double dip or triple dip on different credit products, meaning that they're only going to hard pull your credit one time within a certain time window. Now, another great thing about SECU of Maryland is that their pre-approvals are good for 60 days. And if you apply for multiple credit products within a 30-day time window, it's only going to be one hard pull. So that's another advantage because you can get multiple accounts, including a personal credit card, a line of credit, or even a personal loan, a car loan with just one hard pull if you're applying within a 30-day window. So anyways, let's jump over to their website. All right, so first up, I wanted to go over the membership eligibility to join SECU of Maryland. And I wanted to just clarify that you do not need a sponsor in order to join SECU. Now, the ways to get in, if you have a family member, already a member, if you're employed with a Maryland state agency, or you attend a college or university in the state of Maryland, there's over 1,900 affiliated employers. But the way most people will probably be able to join is through the SECU Maryland Foundation. Now, before it was a $50 donation, they've since reduced it to just $10. So a one-time $10 donation gets you into the SECU Foundation, and that makes you become eligible to join SECU of Maryland. So it's very easy to join. So I wanted to go over their credit cards. So first up, you have the Visa Signature Card. So this is going to be their best credit card. 3x points on dining, travel, Amazon, and iTunes. 2x points on gas and groceries, and 1x on all others. There's no annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance, or foreign transaction fee. Next up, you have the Cashback Visa Card. So this earns 2% cashback on gas and groceries, 1% cashback on all others. Then you have the Rewards Visa Card, earn 1x rewards points for every dollar that's spent. You have the First Rate Visa Card. So this is going to be their low interest rate credit card. Then you have a Starter Visa Card. So this is going to be for someone who's trying to establish their credit, either someone new to credit or maybe someone who has some derogatory mark. This is an unsecured credit card, but it will be a lower limit. So just keep that in mind. Then you have the Secure Credit Card, where you're actually putting down a deposit. Whatever you put down serves as your limit. So this is another way for you to build your credit up. And And then they also have a student Visa card, which is going to be designed for younger people, people who are in college, who are trying to establish their credit. So they have about 3 different credit cards, I would say, for people who are trying to rebuild their credit. And then if you want the rewards credit cards, then you can go with the Visa Rewards, you can go with the Cashback Visa, or you can go with the Visa Signature card, which is going to be their top of the line credit card. So SECU of Maryland has a variety of personal loan options, including preferred lines of credit, unsecured signature loans, deposit shared loans, as well as assistive technology loans. Now, in my opinion, the preferred line of credit is one of the best products that they have. Now, it's a line of credit. Now, the difference between a line of credit versus a loan, when you take out a loan, you're getting charged interest immediately. With a line of credit, you only get charged interest as you draw down on the line of credit. And another advantage is that the line of credit replenishes itself versus a loan. When you use the proceeds, you have to apply for another loan if you need more. But with a line of credit, as soon as you pay it back, the balance becomes available to you, so you can just reuse it over and over. And the advantage of a line of credit versus a credit card is that if you want to take cash off of a credit card, you're going to be paying the cash advance interest rate, which is usually pretty high. But with a line of credit, the interest rate is going to be much lower versus a cash advance from a credit card. So there's a couple advantages, I would say, of a line of credit versus a loan or even a credit card, is the fact that you can draw down on the full amount of the line of credit if you do desire. The preferred lines of credit range from $300 all the way up to $30,000. No application fee, no prepayment penalty, and you access the funds by transferring from your preferred line of credit to either your checking account or your SECU savings account. SECU of Maryland also has unsecured signature loans, minimum of $300 all the way up to $30,000. They also offer deposit secured loans. This is a great way for you to build your credit using your own funds. So you basically put down a deposit, they'll issue it right back to you. So they'll give you the proceeds right back, and they'll report the loan to the major credit reporting agency. So this is a great way to build your credit using your own funds. So you could literally use the loan proceeds to repay the loan and build up that payment history. Now, one of their more interesting loan products is the assistive technology loan. This was established to help provide life-enhancing technological aid to individuals with special needs, things like wheelchairs, motorized scooters, hearing and vision aid. This ranges from a minimum of $500 all the way up to $50,000 towards life-enhancing technological aids for individuals with special needs. Now, SECU also offers business credit products for registered Maryland businesses. So this isn't going to be available to any type of business. You will need to be registered in the state of Maryland in order to qualify for the business credit product. But the line of credit does require the most recent 2 years of personal and business tax returns, and you may also have to provide interim financials. Now, for the business credit card, they have a cashback credit card. You do need a minimum of a 680 in order to qualify, and it will be a personal guarantee. And again, you will have to establish a business checking account before you could apply to any of the business credit products. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's recap really quickly SECU of Maryland. Now, membership eligibility is wide open. All it is a $10 donation to the SECU Foundation. It used to be $50, now it's only $10, so anyone can join. Doesn't matter where you live, any state is eligible. As long as you join through the SECU Foundation, you're good to go. Now, they have a wide variety of different credit cards. They have rewards credit cards. I actually have the Visa Signature from SECU. It has 3x rewards categories. They also have starter credit cards as well. So they have a student Visa, they have a secure credit card. They also have a starter Visa, which is going to be a low limit credit card for those looking to rebuild. And if you're rebuilding, you could also check out the shared secured loan, where you just put down a deposit. That's an installment loan, so it gives you some variety of accounts on your credit profile. They also have a personal line of credit that goes up to $30,000, as well as term loans up to $30,000 as well. On the business side, they also have a business line of credit. Now, for the business line of credit, your business does need to be registered in the state of Maryland. You will need to open up a checking account, and they do require 2 years of personal and business tax returns for the business line of credit. Now, for the credit card, you can personally guarantee your business, again, does need to be registered in the state of Maryland, and you need a minimum of a 680 Equifax FICO score. Another important data point is that they do use check systems, so just make sure your check systems is in order if you are interested in joining SECU of Maryland. If anyone's interested, I posted a link in the description. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section right down below, and until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.